Everyone in your organization wants trusted analytics to make better business decisions. But when your business relies on a variety of BI and analytics tools, users don't have adequate access or training to join all that disconnected data into a complete view of the business. IT can securely manage the disparate data, but when every department relies on them to source, prep, and enrich data, it creates a bottleneck. Frustrated, business users return to their comfort zone, manually updating spreadsheets. That means processes plagued by security problems, biased, inconsistent results, stale reports, and errors. The outcome? Decisions are made with incorrect or incomplete information, and the business suffers. With Oracle Analytics, you get a unified, complete system that handles everything you need from data to decision. It's a secure, auditable system, so you always know how numbers and calculations are defined. Enterprise data models are connected and governed by IT. The data for those models remains in place at the source, joined together with built-in native connectors. So you have reliable, trusted metrics that always reflect the most recent state of the business. While IT retains governance and control, business users gain the flexibility to create self-service data models for their projects. Even users who aren't data engineers can easily prepare and enrich data with no-code interfaces. Every action in the prep and enrichment process is tracked and monitored, making them easy to repeat for future projects. The analytics platform includes embedded machine learning, providing unbiased recommendations, predictions, and insights you may never have considered. Drag-and-drop interfaces allow anyone to apply machine learning, increasing the chance to spot unseen pitfalls or new opportunities. With the Generative AI assistant, analysts can type natural language questions to create their own dashboards in minutes, complete with insights for each visualization. It sidesteps the hassle of learning and navigating menus. All you need is your understanding of the data, and then just ask. And all these powerful capabilities come together into compelling visual stories you can consume no matter where you are. With Oracle Analytics, everyone in your business has current, complete, accurate data right at their fingertips to make the best decisions faster and drive business success.